side of the highway, you can hear the cars roaring past us. Yeah.
It's sure windy though, eh?
Yeah, I'm wearing my windbreaker, a lot of vinyl clothing, so you know, it
Yeah.
swishes around in the wind.
I'm gonna put on my windbreaker too. It's so plastic. I love how the sleeves sound.
Just like the cars. Listen,
It's a lot like the cars, yeah. It's similar.
Right. Well, I guess we better get to work. I mean, we don't want to just stand around all day wasting the tax dollars of this town.
Just kidding, but not. Okay, well I'm gonna shovel some of this gravel right in there.
Yeah, you start doing that. Oh, I got my dog here, so...
Yeah, is that a little dog?
Yeah, he likes to wolf a little bit.
Oh.
Hey, Sparky, how you doing? Oh, yeah, good boy. Listen,
That sounds good.
if you're going to be on the job site, you need to wear a hard hat. Here you
Oh,
go.
look at him in his little hard hat.
So cute. All right, you go off that way and play in traffic.
Oh no, he's gonna get hit by that car.
Oh, well, he's in a better place now.
Yeah.
But you know what? The cars wouldn't be swerving all over the place if we just filled some of these potholes, so...
Well, let's get on
That's
it,
kind
eh?
of on me. All right.
Okay.
So you've already put the gravel in the pit there.
Yeah, let me put in one more.
Wow, it's a silent shovel.
It's one of those new silent
Just
shovels.
goes right into the pile of rocks. Without making a
Oh,
noise.
just like a hot knife through butter.
Yeah.
Here, all emptied out. That'll probably make a noise.
Oh, that's my dog. He's back to life. Hey, he's okay. Oh, you're doing okay, Sparky.
I thought he was hit by that car for sure.
All right, well, I'm just going to turn on the concrete grinder here. There we go, yeah. Just takes a little while to start up. Sometimes I got to...
Yeah, give it another try.
All right. Oh, just try
Oh,
it.
turned over that time.
The third time's a charm. I was going to
Yeah.
choke it up a little bit here.
Gets a
All right,
little better every time, so...
There we go. That's the concrete grinder.
I believe it is.
A
I believe it
high-pitched
is.
swirl.
Yeah, we got the, like, pink Barbie kind.
And you got the tar that's all fully melted. I can hear the tar bubbling.
Yeah, let me stir that tar, that bubbly tar.
Yeah, you know the tar is good when it's good and thick when it makes a flume noise.
Yeah, that's how you know the tar's ready.
Flume, flume. All right, you goop some of the tar onto the gravel that you put in that...
Yeah, that's the official term.
Yeah,
I'll gloop it.
Goop it. Yes, that's why we call it gooping.
Because it makes literally that exact sound.
Exactly that. I'm going to back up the cement truck here. I'm just going to put it into reverse. You know, we changed the beep to just a high-pitched wail.
Yeah.
It used to go beep, 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 but now it just makes this noise.
Oh, that's it! Oh, jeez, you almost backed over the dog, buddy.
Okay, you got it. All right. Is he okay?
He's okay.
All right, I'm gonna back up the truck now. Then.
Oh, calm down. No, don't jump. Oh, he went into the tar.
Oh, poor little guy. He's gonna be like all those dinosaurs, you know, that got buried in tar only to be found later.
Well, let's just put him in the pothole.
Yeah, that'll smooth that thing out.
Sort of like the loony under the Olympic ice.
Yeah, exactly. It's good luck.
He'll be good luck for the whole town.
Bury a dog in a pothole. It's good luck for the town. That's
Good
what
luck
they
for the
say.
whole town, they say.
All right, I'm going to open up the concrete mix here. It's just going to come pouring down the tunnel.
Oh,
right.
that's usually pretty loud.
Yeah, I know. So put on your silencing earmuffs there. All right, here we go. Open the hatch. It's flipping down, and right there into the tunnel, or down the tunnel into the hole.
It just sounds like a bunch of Muppets holding hands, doesn't it?
Yeah, you know, it's a nice sound. I like hearing that.
Let's hear it again. Let's hear it again.
I'll pour a little bit more. Here we go. Yeah, that's
exactly
nice.
like, yeah, that's Muppets.
That's really nice. All right, well, fold that up. I'm just going to move the truck a little bit forward. That way we can start pounding it down.
Yeah.
The pneumatic pounder.
I'll pound it down.
All right.
Oh, you drive first and then I'll
Oh,
start
sure.
driving.
I'll just.
You can only make one sound at once.
Here we go.
For God's sake.
Oh, no, it's not. Oh, there we go. All right. Okay, we're good.
Oh.
Go ahead, guy. You just pound it down.
That truck really got a lot manlier since last time.
Well, in reverse, it sounds like a high-pitched wail. But when it goes forward, it's a really manly truck.
Yeah, I
sure.
suppose so. I
For
suppose
sure.
so.
All right, go ahead and pound it down.
I'll get this pounder going. Sorry, that's my cell phone again. Yeah, honey, no. Yeah, no, the rolling papers are right in there with the stuff. No, it's easy. I'll make a pipe out of an apple. Okay then, honey. Bye-bye.
All right, well, yeah, pound that one down and we'll move on to the next one. Lord knows there's thousands of potholes to be filled. So, hey, just pound that one down and it'll firm up real good.
Okay, I hope that the dog's not still alive under there.
Oh, no, I'm sure he's fine.
Okay, let's do
I
it.
can't even hear him, so I'm sure he's good.
All right. Oh, geez, oh no.
Oh, all right, listen, I can't have you just pound down all the concrete onto the tar onto my dog. I'm gonna bathe him off. I got a hose over here. I'll just turn on the water.
Yeah, give him a hose down.
Oh, it's just a smooth flowing stream. No noise at all, but
Oh, it's very subtle.
oh, there it goes. Took a long time to go through the hose, you know. There we go. Oh, he likes that. He likes the sound.
Yeah, he likes it.
He likes the sound of the water on it.
Makes him quiet.
He's making nice, happy dog noises.
Yeah, he's singing kind of a doggy song.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
He
yeah.
likes that. Oh, I'm just going to turn
He
off
likes
the
that
water.
just fine.
Here we go. Oh, now who's a good little boy? Who's a clean little dog?
I can almost hear your hearts being in tune.
Yes, we put our hearts together and you can hear them beating as one. Oh, I'm really sick. I've got a condition. I should get
That
that
heartbeat
checked
does
out.
not sound like a human heartbeat.
No, not at all. Listen, I'm going to put the dog in. Oh, yeah, I'm just doing a lot of jazz, you know.
Yeah,
It's really jazzy.
syncopated.
I'm just going to put the dog in the truck here. Okay, now you stay there and be a good boy,
Yeah, he
okay?
better stay there. He's been getting in a lot of trouble.
Okay. And yeah, just smooth it over with the nice smoothing tool that we have.
Sounds good. I'll use the smoothing tool.
Yeah, the big rolling drum.
Yeah. Here goes. Oh, I'm sorry. I am sorry.
You let yourself go a little bit there.
I peed a bit.
That's okay. Actually, you know what? That's really good for the solidification of the concrete and the tar and the gravel.
Yeah? Oh, the sulfur?
Yeah, a little bit of sulfur.
All right, then.
Acid.
I guess I'll just keep peeing while I do this.
Yeah, it's dripping down. It's smoothing right over. Well, that is a nicely filled in pothole right there, if I can
Man, I
say.
should have had all that Diet Coke earlier.
Yeah.
The volume is just insane.
All right, well, you know what? I think that's one. That's one completely done and filled.
Well, I think after this, we should probably go have a couple beers with Craig.
Oh, we don't have to go. I got a couple of beers right here. Here's yours.
Whenever you open a beer in Cold Lake, pretty soon the mayor's there.
That's right. You gotta pop these open. Cheers. And just throw it back, you know. Nothing like being a construction worker in Cold Lake. People driving by looking at you drinking beers. Everyone's happy. They're all waving at us, honking their horns. All of their horns are novelty choo-choo train horns.
I know.
I'm glad that the mayor got those installed on every car.
That's why Cold Lake's the best place on earth.
That's right. Well, I think one pothole filled, we'll call it a day right there.
Right there, buddy.
Yeah, time to go home, you know. I'm going to go spend some time with my dog. Sounds like you've got your wife to go home to.
Yeah, she's probably pretty high by now.
Yeah, well, she's going to crush this can on my forehead like a man. Here I go, ready? Oh,
I am so sorry.
Oh, did you pee
A
again?
little bit.
All right, well.
Listen in there, oh my goodness.
Round of applause for wonderful sound effects. Thank you so much.
Terrific, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great.